Hi, this is Ben Meller with GZM Web, and today I'd like to show you one of the nice features that we have in our project management system. This might be a feature that's really useful for your company, and that is working with groups. A lot of times at a company you may have several different groups that you're working with. You might be working with clients, you might be working with vendors, you might have some groups at your company that the team members or employees are members of the management group, other members are members of a production group. Whatever it is, each of them needs to have access to certain information, and by being a member of that group we can give them that access. So after you have logged into GZM Projects, what you can do is you can actually go to the tab up here that says Settings, and if you click on this tab, you'll get the ability here to actually see a few different icons that we have for groups, changing the interface steps. You can review system logs. Let's look at the groups. Just click on that icon. And then for here, you'll see we have several different groups that I made for this video to kind of show some examples. The administrator group, by default, this group has access to all of the steps. If they're an administrator, they can do anything. Basically, an administrator is the one that has the account at GZM Projects, or has been assigned as an administrator by the person that signed up at GZM Projects. So let's look at a few examples. The administrator group, they can see all of the tasks, they can add and edit and delete their own tasks, they can delete the tasks of others. They have access to all of the reports, they can edit the reports of other people. Same thing with messages, calendar. They have the ability to delete users. They can see all information, including calls that have been logged. And basically, the administrator has full access. But let's make a new group. Let's say, for example, we're going to create a new group that's called, let's say, vendor. So we'll say vendors. So for example, if we go down to the group vendors, click here, they might have a few, maybe they can see the documents tab, maybe they can see the reports, but perhaps they should be able to see only tasks that are assigned to them. They shouldn't be able to look at other tasks for other people. Maybe they should, if you want them to have a calendar in the system, you can make it where they can see the calendar for themselves. If you want them to be able to see the calendar for others, you can give them that access. Same thing with, they can make appointments. Do you want them to be able to edit the appointments of others? If you do, you could do that. Basically, one of the advantages with this is that you've got a lot of permissions that can be set at a very good level when you work with GZM projects. That's just one of the features that I wanted to show you. And of course, if you make a group and you later want to delete it, you can just go down and actually just delete the group. And at that point the group's gone. So that's kind of the overview that I wanted to show today. I hope that you find it useful, and I encourage you to sign up for a free trial of gzmprojects.com. We offer a 30-day free trial. You can just sign up there and play around with the system some and see if it might be a good fit for your company. A lot of companies report that it doubles their productivity, and we certainly at GZM Web have recognized an excellent increase in productivity. So I just encourage you to try out our software, see if it's a good fit for your company.